Alright guys, coming at you today with another tour of a beautiful Bonce DB Sa315.
Coming down your block, knocking pictures off the walls. On Front Street, riding, bagging bitches out the mall. On the giant high, just like Gucci Mane, I'm riding giant fly. You should see they head turn when I ride flying by.
I've been putting a lot of these up on my YouTube channel and they get a very good response because these subwoofers are no joke. So we'll start from the top as usual. We have the Bonce logo. This one has a carbon fiber, very stiff carbon fiber dust cap. We have a mid-roll surround stitched to the cone, very heavy duty. And up top right here on the mounting flange is a Apocalypse, very nice mounting ring. I really like that touch. It's two-tone as well. Beautiful. Coming on down from there, let's see. All right, we got a heavy-duty cone assembly, that's for sure. Moving down to the dual tensile leads, stitched. Got a double spider spacer to bring it up further off the spider landing to give it more travel. We can't pass up this basket though. The basket's looking beautiful. This is a custom Bonce basket, as you can see. Nobody else would be using this basket. They may have a patent on it, but why would somebody want to use this basket when it has DB all over it for Bonce? All right, we got some nice push terminals here. And then again, up here, going to the dual tensils per lead. Moving on down to the very open basket design right here. So this thing is going to get plenty of cooling. Moving on down to the Bonce magnet boot that we have right here. And we'll push it over. And show you the back plate, which is a sealed back plate. A lot of Bonce subs use sealed back plates, I'm seeing. So the way that they cool their subs is hard to see, but where the gap is right there where the voice coil goes down in there, they have a certain type of cooling that goes up around and pushes the air out around the coil, and it seems to work very well. So let's check out the specs on this sub. The surround is made out of foam. Cone is pressed paper, die-cast aluminum Bonce frame. Magnet type is obviously ferrite. RMS power 2800 watts, max power 5600 watts. 3-inch aluminum flat wire voice coil. This comes in dual 1s or dual 2s. X-Max 28 millimeters, SPL 88. I've seen these in action when I went to Russia, and they are no joke, guys. They come in different sizes as well. If you'd like to check these out and more, go to downforsoundshop.com, your #1 source for Bonce and much, much more. Focus, focus. There we go. All right, this one is headed out to Tristan Way in Wooster, Ohio. Got him hooked up with all these freebies right here. T-shirt, stickers, lanyards, voltmeter, all that good stuff on top of free shipping. All right, guys, I'm gonna end this video. I appreciate you checking out the new Bonce DB Sa315. Do me a huge favor and share this on your social media. I'd greatly appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to drop that thumbs up and a comment below. Let me know what you think about this bad boy.